Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Stalker Gamma easier. To begin, choose the Loner faction and start in Rookie Village. This offers a much safer introduction to the zone. Adjust your gameplay difficulty to Easy and Progression difficulty to Tourist in the Settings menu. This provides a more forgiving experience with less punishing mechanics. Additionally, enable quick saves and disable campfire-only saving to allow for more frequent and flexible saving, reducing frustration from unexpected deaths. Next, customize your game through the Mod Configuration menu. Increase weapon and armor drop durability to approximately 90%, ensuring you find more usable gear. Crucially, enable the NPCs cannot see through foliage option. This prevents enemies from spotting you through dense bushes, offering a significant tactical edge. Consider installing quality-of-life mods, such as Hover Drop and Disassemble, to streamline inventory management and save valuable time in the zone. For effective survival, prioritize acquiring a Sunrise Stalker suit and a respirator early on. These provide crucial protection against radiation and other environmental hazards. Arm yourself with a .45 ACP pistol loaded with Hydroshock rounds, which are highly effective against mutants. Also, carry a reliable shotgun for close-quarters engagements with human enemies. Focus on completing tasks, as these frequently reward you with stash locations containing vital tools, weapons, and other valuable resources for your progression. When engaging in combat, always strive to maintain a distance of at least 50 meters from your enemies to minimize incoming damage. Utilize the correct ammunition types. HP rounds are best for mutants, while AP rounds are essential for penetrating armored human targets. Avoid direct confrontations with large groups of hostiles. Instead, use environmental cover to your advantage. Pick off isolated enemies, and always have a planned escape route to retreat safely when overwhelmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.